side by me.
Yep.
My brother, we're both recording this because look, there is a bad storm going on where we live. So wish us luck, hope we survive, and you know, that trampoline got chucked like across their yard. Like it was like right over there by the place that when the wind blew it all the way over there.
One of my balls went all the way over there.
Yeah, one of their balls went all the way over by the apartments. So you hear this tornado sirens. We're probably doing something really stupid by what we're doing, but, right? Look at that. Look at that constant rainfall.
I wonder how slugs and other bugs who like water are feeling.
I just hope the animals are gonna be okay. I can't believe we're seriously having tornado sirens though. I mean, I understand we had small rainfall the past couple of days, but this is ridiculous.
It was probably just a warm up for this.
Hopefully that was just a warm up, and hopefully this is well, I mean, there's technically just a windstorm going on for sure, but I don't know about this, dude.
I'm gonna check the weather forecast after.
Same, in fact, well, I got it in this video here, so be sure to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and see you in the next time. Peace out.
Peace, guys.